Kiveton is recorded in the Domesday Book as Kiveton, meaning settlement in the hollow. Kiveton Park Rural District existed from 1894 to 1974. One of the most famous buildings here is Kiveton Hall, a Grade II listed building, built in the early 1800s on the site of one that was built by 1704 and demolished in 1811, and was also called Kiveton Park. Like a lot of areas in Yorkshire, coal mining was the bloodline of the area. This community woodland was on the site of Kiveton Park Colliery. Until 1845, agriculture was the main economy of Kiveton Park. A railway was built through the district in this year too. Then, in 1864, Carrington and Company leased rights to mine in the area, and then Kiveton Park Colliery was sunk in 1866 and went on to become one of the deepest coal mines in the UK. In 1873, the Kiveton Park Colliery Company was founded. At its peak in 1910, 1,829 people worked there. It worked the Barnsley and High Hazel seams, and coal was used for households as steam. There was a disaster on the 24th of June 1941 in which 5 people died as a result of an explosion owing to a fracture in a lamp. In total, 76 people died at the colliery, with 4 being 13-year-old boys. It closed in 1994, and the site was then landscaped into the 141 acres that is now Kiveton Park Community Woodland.